Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss some Vedic math tricks, and with the help of those tricks you will see you are able to solve some calculations questions very fast. Okay, so in our very first class we are going to discuss the trick of multiplication with series of nines means we will multiply any number with 9, 99, 999, 4 times 9 and so on. ओके सो आज हम लोग मल्टीप्लीकेशन डिस्कस करेंगे जिसमें हम लोग किसी भी नंबर को सीरीज ऑफ 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड वी विल सी वी आर एबल टू सॉल्व सम क्वेश्चन वेरी फास्ट विद इन 5 seconds. Okay, so I am taking few examples. Let us take very first example as 8 multiplied by 9. Then second question लेते हैं हम 78 multiplied by 99. Then third question, let us take a 3-digit number. 567 multiplied by 3 times 9. And fourth question, a 4-digit number 7826 multiplied by 4 times 9. ठीक है, अब इन क्वेश्चंस को हम कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं यूजिंग वैदिक मैथ ट्रिक. Before we discuss the trick, let us discuss few terms. So as you can see, we are multiplying two numbers. So in Vedic maths, first number is called multiplicand. The first number is called multiplicand and second number is called multiplier. Okay, जिस नंबर को हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं उसको मल्टीप्लायर बोलते हैं और जिस नंबर से कर रहे हैं उस नंबर को भी कॉल्ड मल्टीप्लिकेंट. So similarly, 78 is my multiplicand, 567 is my multiplicand, 7826 is my multiplicand, and 99, 3 times 9, 4 times 9 are my multiplier. So you can see this questions consist of nines only in the multiplier. So we have a specific rule to solve this type of question. So यहाँ पे दो steps हैं, step 1 and step 2. We will find the answers in two steps, step 1 and step 2. What is step 1? Step 1 में हमें क्या करना है? We have to subtract 1 from multiplicand. Okay. What is the step 1? We have to subtract 1 from multiplicand. So in question number 8, my multiplicand is 8. So I will do 8 minus 1. In question number 7, multiplicand is 78. So I will do 78 minus 1. Similarly, third question में हम क्या करेंगे? 567 minus 1, and in fourth question we will do 7826 minus 1. So let us write down the answer of first step. 8 minus 1 very easy, we all know 7. 78 minus 1 कितना आएगा? 77. Then 567 minus 1 will be 566. Similarly 7826 minus 1 will be 7825. Okay, so this is my first answer. अब हमें second answer find out करना है. So what we will do? We will subtract each digit of the first answer from 9. So 9 minus 7 I will do here. Again 9 minus 7. Since हमारे पास दो digits हैं, so we will do 9 minus 7 and 9 minus 7 again. Similarly in question number 3 we are getting a 3-digit answer. So first we will do 9 minus 5, then we will do 9 minus 6, then again we will do 9 minus 6. Similarly, question number 4 में what we will do? 9 minus 8, then 9 minus 8, 9 minus 2 and 9 minus 5. Now let us write down the answer. 9 minus 7 is 2. So my answer for question number 1 is 72. We all know 8 multiplied by 9 क्या होता है? 72. Similarly, the answer for second question is 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2. So your final answer is 7722. Similarly, for question number 3, my final answer will be 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 6, 3. So I can write the answer as 566433. So you can see what I am doing. I am writing the first answer, then I am writing the second answer. Okay, we have to write both the answers at a time. So similarly, last question का आंसर होगा 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 2 7 and 9 minus 5 4. So the final answer will be 78252174. Okay, so you can see we are able to solve the 4-digit multiplications very fast. Let us take some more questions. Okay, let us take a 5-digit number. Suppose we are given with a 5-digit number. हमारे पास number है 78215. एंड हमें इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 5 टाइम्स 9 से। सो व्हाट वाज द स्टेप, फर्स्ट स्टेप में हमें मल्टीप्लिकेंट से 1 माइनस करना है। सो 78215 माइनस 1 विल बी 78214। ओके, दिस इज माय फर्स्ट स्टेप आंसर। टू सेपरेट इट वी कैन ड्रॉ वर्टिकल लाइन। अब सारे डिजिट्स को किससे माइनस करना है, फर्स्ट ऑफ पार्ट ऑफ द आंसर के 9 से। सो 9 minus 7, write down 2, then 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 4, 5. So your final answer is 78214, 21785. Similarly, let us take another question. Let us take a decimal question. Okay, suppose we have a multiplicand which is consisting of a decimal number. So let us take a question, 27.5 multiply by 3 times 9. Okay, so we have to find out the answer of this question. So how we will solve this question? Steps are same. Decimal को भूल जाना है, for the timing don't consider decimal. So you can consider this question as 275 multiplied by 3 times 9. So सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, we will subtract 1 from the multiplicand. So 274, 275 minus 1 कितना आएगा, 274. Now subtract each digit from 9. So 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 4, 5. As you can see, we have a decimal. Okay, and how many digits are there after decimal? We have 1 digit. So in the answer place, we will put 1 decimal from the last. So this is my final answer. Similarly, let us take another question. 47.9 multiplied by 9.99. So again you can see we have decimal number in the multiplicand and we have multiplier also which is consisting of a decimal number. ठीक है, so इसको कैसे करेंगे? So steps are same. For the timing हमें क्या सोचना है कि decimal नहीं है क्वेश्चन. Okay, so this is a simple question of 479 multiplied by 3 times 9. So what are the steps? सबसे पहले multiplicand से 1 minus करेंगे. So 479 minus 1, my answer will be 478. Now subtract each digit from 9. So 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 8, 1. Now we have to put the decimal. So decimal कहाँ place करेंगे? In the multiplicand, how many digits are there after decimal? 1. In the multiplier, how many digits are there after decimal? 2. So total, how many digits? 1 plus 2, 3. So always remember we have to do the total of all the digits which are there after decimal in the multiplicand also and in the multiplier. ठीक है, अब आंसर प्लेस में हम डेसिमल कहाँ प्लेस करेंगे? फ्रॉम द लास्ट. ठीक है, लास्ट से 3 डिजिट्स पहले we will put the decimal. So 478.521 is my final answer. I hope you understood the multiplication with series of 9s. Okay, so as you can see in this type of question हम multiplicand और multiplier में जो number of digits ले रहे थे they are same. ठीक है, look in the first question how many digits in the multiplicand? 8, 1 digit है. ठीक है, और 1 9 है. In the second question we have 2 digits in the multiplicand and 2 9. In the third question we have 3 digits in the multiplicand and 3 9. In the fourth question we have 4 digits in the multiplicand and 4 9. Similarly in this questions also you can see हम number of digits multiplicand और multiplier में same ले रहे हैं. What if we have different digits? Okay, suppose I am taking another question. Let us take a question like this: 78 multiplied by 3 times 9. Okay, this is a particular type of question. Let us take another number like 9 multiplied by 4 times 9. Okay, let us take one more question. Let us take a 3-digit number 472 multiplied by 5 times 9. Okay, so as you can see in this questions our multiplicand is 78 in the first question, 9 in the second question and 472 in the third question, and multiplier is 999, 4 times 9 and 5 times. What is the difference in this type of question? ये टाइप में क्या है, मल्टीप्लिकेंट में जो डिजिट्स हैं दे आर लेस इन नंबर्स एज कंपेयर टू नाइन्स इन द मल्टीप्लायर. मल्टीप्लायर में नाइन्स ज्यादा है, मल्टीप्लिकेंट में नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स उनके कंपैरिजन में कम है. 78 is a two digit number. Okay, how many digits are there in the multiplier? 3 digit. Then in the second question, 9 एक single digit है. How many nines are there in the multiplier? 4. Then in the third question, we have 3 digits in the multiplicand and how many nines are there? 5 nines. Okay, now how to solve this type of question? Okay, so as we discussed in our previous case, the number of digits were same. Okay, in the case 1, let us name this type of questions as case 1. So case 1 में हमारा क्या हो रहा था? Number of digits same थे, multiplicand and multiplier. Now in case 2 we have less number of digits in multiplicand. Okay, when the digits in multiplicand are less as compared to multipliers. Okay, as compared to nines in multiplier. So multiplier में हमारे nines है और multiplicand में जो digits हैं they are less in number. Okay, so how to solve this type of question? So this type of question is also very easy. हमें क्या करना है, इसे फर्स्ट केस जैसे क्वेश्चंस में कन्वर्ट करने हैं. व्हाट इज द पर्पस, व्हाट इज आवर मोटिव हियर? हमें मल्टीप्लिकेंट को किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? इन as many number of digits as number of nines present in the multiplier. ठीक है, सो मल्टीप्लायर में 3 नाइन्स है, सो 78 को मुझे क्या बनाना पड़ेगा? 3 डिजिट नंबर. सो टू मेक 78 3 डिजिट नंबर, व्हाट आई विल डू, मुझे 0 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. मैं 0 कहाँ ऐड करूंगा? 78 के लास्ट में कि 78 के पहले? Suppose if I add 78 10 at the last of 78, so my number will change. 78 and 780, these are two different numbers, so we will not take this. Okay, and similarly I can also write 78 as 078. This is also a 3 digit number. 78 को मैं ऐसे भी लिख सकता हूँ, but 078 is equivalent to 78. Okay, so I will write 78 as 078 and what is the multiplier? 999. Similarly in second question कितने नाइन्स है? 4 नाइन्स है. And what, how many digits are there in multiplicand? 1. So मुझे क्या करना है, उसे 4 digit में convert करना है. So what I will do, I will add 3 zeros before 9. So this converts my question as this one. Similarly in third question, how many digits are there in multiplicand? 3 digits. So what I will do, how many nines are there in multiplier? 5 nines. So I have to make it have 5 digit number. So मैं क्या करूँगा, 2 zeros add करूँगा. So it will become 00472 multiplied by 5 times 9. Okay, now this is a similar question like case 1. So steps are same. First we will subtract 1 from multiplicand. Okay, so 078 minus 1 will give me 077. 0009 minus 1 will give me 8008. Similarly 00472 minus 1 will give me 471. So this is my first step, first answer. अब हमें क्या करना है, सारे डिजिट्स को 9 से माइनस करना है. सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0, 9 minus 0, I will write 0, then 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 7 2, again यहाँ पे 0008 है, so 3 zeros are there, so I will simply put 3 9. Okay, कितने zeros मैंने ऐड किए हैं? 3 zeros, so 3 9s पुट कर दूंगा. then लास्ट डिजिट क्या है मेरा? 8 है, so 9 minus 8 1. Similarly here 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 7 2 and 9 minus 1 8. Okay, so this gives me the final answer. So this is my final answer, this is my final answer. Okay, so आप देख सकते हो we are able to multiply some big numbers very fast. Okay, you can see using Vedic math tricks we can solve some calculations, okay, some big multiplication calculations very fast. Okay, so we have discussed 2 cases. Now let us discuss one more case. Okay, the last case I am going to discuss in multiplication with series of nines. So first case में हमने देखा था when number of digits multiplicand और multiplier में same थे, और second case में हमने देखा कि digits in the multiplicand are less as compared to nines in the multiplier. Okay, now हमारा केस 3 क्या है? I hope you are able to guess. So when the number of digits in multiplicand is more. Okay, when the number of digits in multiplicand is more as compared to nines in मल्टीप्लायर. ओके, अब हमारी जो डिजिट्स होंगे मल्टीप्लिकेंट में वो ज्यादा होंगे हमारे नाइन्स के कंपैरिजन में. So let us take some question. Suppose we take a question 782 multiply by 9. Okay. Then let us take another question. 47 multiply by 9. Then let us take another question. 527 multiply by 99. And last question. This time let us take a 4-digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4 multiply by 3 times 9. So you can see in all the questions multiplicand में number of digits ज्यादा है नाइन्स के कंपैरिजन में. यहाँ पे 3 digit है multiplicand में, यहाँ पे single 9 है. Then here we have a 2 digit in the multiplicand. Here we have 3 digits in the multiplicand. Here we have 4 digits in the multiplicand. But number of nines उनके comparisons में क्या है? Less है. Okay. So how to solve this type of question? So this type of question is also very easy. What we have to do? We have to follow 2 steps. Okay. So look carefully. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? Multiplicand को लिखना है. How many digits are there in the multiplicand? 3 digits. So write down 782 as it is. Now कितने नाइन्स हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं? सिंगल नाइन. ओके, सो एड 1 0 एट द लास्ट. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी क्या करना है? 47 लिखो. कितने नाइन्स मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं? 1. सो एड 1 0 एट द लास्ट. यहाँ पे राइट डाउन मल्टीप्लिकेंड 527. कितने जीरोस 9 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं? 2 9 से. सो एड 2 zeros एट द लास्ट. देन सिमिलरली क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 1 2 3 4. हाउ मेनी नाइन्स आर देयर? 3 9. सो हम क्या करेंगे? 3 zeros ऐड कर देंगे. ठीक है. सो दिस इज माई स्टेप 1. ओके, दिस इज माई स्टेप 1. स्टेप 1 में हमें क्या करना है? जो भी मल्टीप्लिकेंड है उसमें जीरोस ऐड करने हैं लास्ट में जितने 9 से हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. गॉट इट? नाउ स्टेप 2 वेरी इजी. जो भी मल्टीप्लिकेंड है उसको सबट्रैक्ट कर दो स्टेप 1 से. सो व्हाट इज द मल्टीप्लिकेंड हियर? 782. सो 782 सबट्रैक्ट 782. ओके, इन स्टेप 2. सिमिलरली 470 है, 470 से 47 मल्टीप्लिकेंट है उसको सबट्रैक्ट कर दो. सिमिलरली हियर 527 मेरा मल्टीप्लिकेंट है. आई विल सबट्रैक्ट 527. वेरी इजी. ओके, सिमिलरली हियर माय मल्टीप्लिकेंट इज 1 2 3 4. सो आई विल सबट्रैक्ट 1 2 3. नाउ डू द सबट्रैक्शन. You will get your answer. So we'll do the subtraction quickly. Okay, I am using complement method for subtraction, which I will discuss in my later classes. Okay, you can do subtraction also using Vedic matrix very fast. Okay, so I am using the complement rule here to subtract this number. Okay, I will teach the complement rule in my coming sessions. Okay, so the answer for this will be 8. Okay, 8 minus 2 6 9 3 and 0 7 7038. Similarly here answer will be 3 7 4 2 42. Here answer will be 10 3 9 2 7. Then 7 minus 5 2 1. Then 2 5. And the last one will be 6 9 3 6 9 2 7 1 2 3 2 1. Okay, so these are my final answers. These are my final answers. You can check the answers also. You will get the same answer. Okay, so you can see I have done subtraction very fast. Why? Using Vedic matrix. Okay, we have some Vedic matrix for doing subtractions also. Okay, so I hope you understand this Vedic matrix. So I have covered all the cases of multiplication with series of nines. Okay. Case 1 when the number of digits in the multiplicand and number of nines in the multiplier are same. Then case 2 when digits in the multiplicand are less as compared to number of nines in multiplier. And case 3 when the digits in the multiplicand is more as compared to number of nines in the multiplier. So we have covered multiplication with series of nines. In my next video I will cover how to multiply any number with series of 7 8. Okay, 6 5 4. So stay tuned. Okay, We will discuss some more Vedic math trick. I hope you understood this trick. Thank you very much.